Mothers, daughters, all women everywhere, stand up and embrace your role.
Yes, Headmistress Isha wa Maryhill High School. Aba Maryhill abali amhanike mkono.
That person can use for a particular work. An innovation is something, doing something different from others. How are you innovated as a lady? How can you innovate yourself using technology? We can use technology in different ways, using means of technology, for example, internet, phones, computers. Find market for her goods using e-business. We also have e-learning. You as a lady, you can know your rights using e-learning. You as a lady, you can use e-learning just to know how to carry out a business. We can also bank our money without moving to any bank, just sitting right where you are. You will use online banking. That is technology. The whole world is standing on the foundation of technology. Everything is technology, but some people don't realize it. We can use technology to make a difference. And many people, many women may say it's wrong. We have proof. And we have some women who are successful, as our woman MP, our OG from St. Peter's, Rita. Our right honorable speaker, Anita Among. Our first lady Janet Kataha Museveni. And those ladies sitting there, they are successful and they are ladies. So who am I not to stand in front of you and I say that I'm a lady and I'm proud to be a lady? And that is because of President Museveni. He has made me something. He has carried me from dust to something. And that is him. Before he went to power, we were nothing, but we are something. We ladies. I thank our head teacher and everybody here. You attending here means something. And I also thank our woman MP. And I will use this opportunity just to stand in front of you and tell you, one day I will go in your steps. I'll become a woman MP. Because I will say, when you ask me a reason, I'm proud to be a woman. Then, lastly, I thank our head teacher again and everybody here. I remain as Agasha Elizabeth, Senior 2, and also, as we St. Peter's students, we struggle to complete our motto, learn to be. Thank you.
Nina mani, no za kukakasa ngo nina mani.